Hi, I'm Richard Skinner at Hawkins Corner Nursery, and I'm going to tell you about how to prune your orange tree, or orange tree pruning. Orange tree pruning is necessary for several reasons. Getting out the dead wood is one of them, but shaping the tree is another. As you can see, this tree is sort of going every which direction. So if we wanted to change the attitude of some of these limbs, we would simply find a place to snip and cut. And by the way, you're not hurting a tree when you prune it. If anything, you're helping it, because you see there was energy coming out here to maintain these leaves and these limbs. Well, they weren't going anywhere, they were sort of going down. So if we take those off, then new little limbs will come up like this one here and will be headed towards the sun. So we're going to help the tree by letting it lose some of its limbs that are requiring energy that it doesn't need to spend. Now, commercially, we do bad things to trees. We have big machines that prune. But really, the way to prune is what I've been doing right here, just simply taking a limb, let's see, and shaping it, cutting it back. When you get into real big limbs now, you might want to use a little fine saw blade. And then, of course, when you get into super big limbs, you'd have to use a regular chainsaw. But hopefully you won't have to do that with your citrus tree. Orange trees, grapefruit trees, tangerine trees are all basically the same. This is Richard Skinner, and I'm at Hawkins Corner Nursery in Plant City, Florida.